Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can replace Edge browser as a default browser in Windows 10 computer. So that's been said, let's get started. Let me tell you that if you had upgraded your Windows 10 computer to the newer version, then your default browser is Microsoft Edge browser. Now to change the default browser to your favorite browser, just follow these steps. First of all, you have to download and install your favorite browser on Windows 10 computer. And after that, follow this step. First, open Settings app. So here we have our setting application. Just open Settings. Here you will get your settings window. Here you will find an option called Apps. Just click on Apps. And here just click on Default Apps. Here you will find all your default application for email, map, music player, photo viewer, video player and browser. Here just click on Microsoft Edge browser. You will get a pop-up window where all the installed browser will be listed. Just select your favorite browser. So this will change your default browser. So in future, if you want to change all the default apps to Microsoft default, then simply click on this reset button. This will reset all your default apps to Microsoft recommended default. So this way you can change your default browser on your Windows 10 computer. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.